So back to this refinance strategy. First off, if you're considering selling your house, you definitely want to make sure you're priced correctly. You're going to find there's a lot of online syndication systems that are telling you what your house is worth. Unfortunately, they're not dialing down to where you need to be as far as sales price because they're lacking the ability to actually walk through and view and see your home. And having known that past standing inventory, because they're active in the area, it's difficult to gauge exact numbers. In addition, some of the data that they're using is somewhat skewed. In addition to that, they're also built on systems that programs are putting together the data. So instead of giving you everything that's sold and showing it very clearly, letting you do your own estimates on that front, it basically says, okay, if the home's located in this neighborhood, typically this is what these have been selling for in the past certain amount of time. And then they do some kind of a calculation. And in some circumstances, if the calculation is off, either intentionally or by accident, it could influence you to do something. Maybe sell when you shouldn't be selling. Maybe buy when you shouldn't be buying. That's why it's very important for you to seek that local expert, find out what they have to say about how your particular criteria fit your circumstance and whether or not it's a good idea for you to continue with the real estate plan or not.